Okay guys, so the tournament has started and now we are going to land up, and the first one we are spectating, it's trio woof, and now it's infinite trio going, and it's Zain landing on the school, and Ashwin Gowda getting into the house, and he picked up something, and Asim Ultimate, what the hell is he doing with a pistol in his hand, guys? I just don't understand. And there he goes, he picked up, he comes out and he's going. Okay, he got a mini 14, and Ashwin Gowda with a shotgun running naked, and he got some stuff there. And Karthik 1235, he is an intruder. I had not given him permission, but he came into the room. Vibes 547 collecting stuff for the tournament, and this is how the maps now. And infinite trio running below me, and we can see Al Tawhid and what do you say? What's his name? I just didn't read it. Okay, he is Boss Anthony running, and both of them are in front of each other, but they are not able to see. I think there is something weird there. Okay, Al Tawhid is escaping there, and he escaped. Yeah, he has escaped now. And guys, now we can see the map. It's like this now, and let's switch to some other player. Yeah, Rehan Laskar. He got a shotgun S12K, and he's running. Okay, over here there is a, what's his name? Okay, Shubham. So both of them are there. I can't hear them. I think they are talking to each other. What is he doing, guys? Why did he come out and then going back? Oh, these two guys are cheating, guys. These two guys need to be reported. Okay, this is a custom room. I'll remove them from the tournament. I'll not give them any prize if they win. So let's continue. And here they are running together without killing each other. It's totally, what do you say, at last they'll have to kill. This is Admiral Muin running in Georgia Pole. I think he'll climb the stairs. No. Okay, he's going. I think he's collecting peacefully. I think there is nobody in Georgia Pole, and he's looting peacefully. Oh, so peaceful guy. And Boss Anthony running into the houses. Rehan Laskar. Oh, Rehan Laskar died by infinite trio, and he's dead. And next kill, who will take the next kill, guys? Let's see. Okay, this was infinite trio again. He killed Shubham, and that's it, he died. And who's here? It's infinite trio running again, and let's see what happens now. Okay, he's camping for some time now. And Al Tawhid 007, I think he got shot by somebody now, and he's running. I think he's getting into the house. Okay, he's camping there. And okay, this that was Boss Anthony who shot. It's Zain. Umair Ilyas, what is he doing with a pistol, guys? Why would anybody play a custom room and use a pistol? Okay, Vibes 647 having a shotgun and camping outside. Yeah, that's cool. And let's see if we can kill anybody. Let's move on. And it's infinite trio again here. And okay, this is Ashwin Gowda escaping, going towards the loot. And he's going. Yeah, he's gone. He didn't go to the loot. He's going somewhere else. And there is Zain near the school. I think he's on the school. No, he's near the school. He's over here. He's running. I just fast forwarded it. He comes here, and this Admiral Muin camping on the bridge. I think he's blocking the bridge, and he didn't find anybody, I guess. Now what else would we do? Oh, he is going away. Got bored of the Deviler's Wing, taking energy drinks and raising his strength there. Oh, enough bro. And this is Boss Anthony again becoming a snake and crawling there. And Umair Ilyas Ahmed stuck inside a storm and running towards the circle, and he's almost there. He's almost made it. Yeah, this is Asim Ultimate running again from the zone. Umair Ilyas Ahmed going in front of him with his car. I think yeah, Umair Ilyas Ahmed raised what do you say? He's in the circle now and trying to climb up the hill, and finally made it, guys. And I think he'll do a play. And now Asim Ultimate stuck inside the circle. Oh, What a close miss, guys. Safe. Yeah, that's good. And it's Zain running again. I think it's Infinite Trio. Yeah, he's shooting Infinite Trio but couldn't, and going back and hiding again sniping, and that's good. And guys, oh, you can't fight the holographic side, bro. Go back and let's go here. Let's find some other man. Oh, Admiral Muin. Yeah, he's getting into the house, sniping again. Infinite Trio and Admiral Muin face to face. I think they both can't see each other. Okay, that's fine. Not a problem at all. And Infinite Trio, Admiral Muin. Okay, Asim Ultimate got into the safe zone, and Admiral Muin using a health kit. And it's Zain. I think he's in the ground floor and he's on the top floor. And Admiral Muin outside, and it's Zain. What is it Zain doing? Why can't he see him, guys? I think these two are again planning like Rehan Laskar and Shubham Gamer. Okay, Admiral Muin went towards the drop. He picked a drop. He's picking it, and guys, he's returning back. What is it Zain doing there? Shit, that was such a nice opportunity, guys. And the circle comes in, and it's Zain getting out. Yeah, he's out, and now he might be starting to run. And he's running. Admiral Muin waiting for it's Zain. Yeah, it's Zain. Close, and there he dies. Oh shit, he died outside the safe zone, guys. Shit. Admiral Muin taking some pills and running towards the circle, and I think he'll make it. Yeah. Yes, guys, he just came into the circle. I think he'll heal himself now. Yeah, he healed himself, and towards the end, and coming here. Oh, got the 4th kill for himself, and he killed the intruder. I had not given him permission, though he came in. He was killed by Admiral Muin, and 2 guys left, and 2 alive, I guess now. And this is Boss Anthony and Admiral Muin. Admiral Muin can see Boss Anthony now, I guess. Yeah, he's shooting. He died, guys, and match has ended.